Hey, what's up guys? My name's Jihad and welcome to Where We Keep It Uncomplex. Beside me we have... Buenos dias. And today I want to let you know on a little something I found out the other day. I have some news for you, some splendid news actually. The Sony A7IV is coming. Oh, we think so. We hope so. You know, it's looming on the horizon. Apparently it will be unveiled sometime October 2021, according to rumor sites. And the spec sheets are impressive to say the least, you know? Like, what do we have? Apparently, 33 megapixels, 5.5K stops of image stabilization, 4K 60, 10-bit color profiles, and a flip-out LCD screen. Well, not bad. Take all that with a grain of salt. We don't actually know anything specific until Sony releases it on their own. But at the same time, if even half of that is true, like people, this is exciting times. Like, hey, your boy just might act up and buy himself a new camera. Oi. Oh, would you look at that? It's your bank account. Sorry, what was that? Yeah, he says you ain't buying ships. Well, I'm buying any more ships. But at the same time, like, do you know what this means? Like, other than the release of a brand new high-end camera, there's something else releasing other than the A7IV. Oh, something else that's gonna happen other than the A7IV. You know what I'm talking about, right? Like, tell him. Okay, I'll tell him. This bad boy over here, the soon-to-be predecessor, the legendary A7 III, is about to be cheap as chips. Cheap being a relative term, of course. But still, when I bought this 3 years ago, I got it for 3,300 Australian dollars. And the thing is, back then, for a camera of this caliber with these specs for that price, that was a good price. And that was 3 years ago. But if I check now, I'm pretty sure, if I go to the TED store, price seems to be $2,279.95. Brand new. Seems to be some sort of sale going on. When it's not on sale, it's $2,500 Australian. But still, at the same time, that's $800 off. And that, you know, just puts me on edge just a little bit, you know, compared to the price I had to pay for the camera, man. But at the same time, that's how technology works, alas. And I bet that price is gonna drop again once the A7IV drops. Like, man. And not only that, okay? Like, because other people like me, other people that already possess the A7 III and thinking of upgrading to the A7IV, there's gonna be an influx of A7 IIIs on the secondhand market. And man, they're just gonna be throwing out high quality cameras for cheap. And that is just so good for people out there looking to buy new cameras. If you don't already know, the Sony A7 III is what put Sony on the camera map, you know? It's what started the feud between Sony versus Canon, who was the better camera, yada yada yada. It was great for taking photos and video, like it was a very well balanced hybrid camera. It's still one of my favorite cameras, I'll still use it to this day. I don't intend on actually giving this one away, but like the raw file images that come out of this camera have excellent dynamic range and I've captured my best photos with it. Oh yeah, crack screen. Story for another day, but I still love it. This is my OG, my original guardian, my first child, my one and only. Can you stop? The one that started it all for me. It's been with me everywhere and hasn't really disappointed me since I've had it. Like, it's got 24 megapixels with great low light sensitivity, 4K 30 FPS, I'm pretty sure, 24 FPS. Can shoot 120 FPS at 1080, dust and water resistant. Like, point is, it's a great starting out camera. So if you're in the market of buying a camera or just starting out or thinking of buying a new camera, I recommend you do this. Wait till the A7IV comes out, buy the A7 III. Unless you're balling, of course, then yeah, buy the A7IV. Like, that camera is gonna be ridiculous. I can already imagine. Am I gonna buy it? It's up for discussion. I'll keep an open mind about it. I'm content with my A7 III and my A7S III, which is what I'm recording on right now. And like I said before, I don't want to give away my A7 III because memories, I give things sentimental value, which is kind of a problem because then I just start to hoard and then it all just builds up. But at the same time, I don't buy things that much anyway. Like I don't spend my money on too much things, so yeah, it's not bad. But now I'm rambling. But yeah, that was just a quick video to let you guys know on what's on the horizon, you know, what's about to come about. Everybody getting excited about the A7 IV. But at the same time, you should also be getting excited about what's about to happen to that. My little A7 III over there. You've been amazing. Guys, if you're new here, make sure to press that like and subscribe button, you know, hit the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know whenever I upload a video. Or follow me on Instagram because that'll be the first place I'll let you know if I buy the new camera. And comment down below if you're thinking about getting the A7 IV yourself or plan on doing my suggestion, getting the A7 III or just sticking with your camera, you know, the camera you already have right now. Let me know, I'd like to know. I hope to see you in the next one. I believe the next one is the FPV video, yeah? Yep. So yeah, make sure you set a notification bell so you don't miss that one. Adios. I'll see you in the next one. I touched the mic.